Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix when your pattern lock is not recognized on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. So, actually this is a very common glitch on the OPPO phones, and to bypass this glitch, actually, the first thing we have to do is to contact device support. The official device support at the OPPO website, or the certified service, authorized certified service of OPPO's, and pay, maybe not pay if it's a glitch, but just have our phone unlocked. But if you just forgot your pattern lock or just don't really care about your data, I do have the better way for you. Instead of waiting a couple of days without access to your phone, click your power button and volume up button. Click both of them actually simultaneously at the same time and hold this circle to power off. Move actually. Now when our phone is powered off, we can hold the power button, which is here, and the volume down button. When you see the OPPO logo, you can lower the pressure on the power button and just hold the volume down button. This will make us go straight to the recovery mode. As I told you earlier, contact the brand support for further assistance. But as for the basic one, we can go here, select the language, which is here, English. Click the power button, format data, enter here the verification code, just rewrites this here, and now you'll have your phone formatted 100%. But you have to remember about one thing. You will have to log in back to your own account, Google account that was previously logged in, to gain access to this phone. This is called the FRP Google Log, and this is a blockage where if somebody will steal your phone and would have access to it. This is just a stop sign to the robber. You know you can't use this phone because here you have the FRP lock. Yes, there are bypasses to this FRP lock, but that's not about this video. Is not about it. We have to focus on that. You have to remember your password to your Google account and enter this password when you will be setting up your phone back again. And yes, you'll lose all your data, everything that you have on your phone stored, photos, videos, etc. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like under this video. If you have your phone now unlocked, please let me know in the comments. Goodbye!